Hi, my name is Sam Douglas. I'm a third grader in Miss Dawson's class. I want to be in student council because I want to get involved in our school and help. Student council will let me do that. I'm running for treasurer because I'm good with numbers and I think that skill will make me a good treasurer. I don't know exactly how I can help you because I've never been a treasurer before. But I will be there to help you, and if I find a way, I'll do it. Folks, vote for Sam because it just makes sense. Thanks for your votes.
Well, I'm afraid that you have a really hard choice for treasurer. Either